Wow, these look so natural.
Okay, so which lenses did you like the most from TTDI? Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this review. TTDI reached out to me and wanted to send me some of their lenses. And of course, I went on their website and found these four. These are the Amber Brown, Amber Gray, Vanilla Hazel, and Vanilla Green. Here you are. I hope you enjoy, and of course, let me know which ones you like the most in the comment section down below. Alright, so I'm super interested to know which ones you loved or liked the most. Really quickly, here is TTDEYE's website. They have so many different lenses. They have so many different colors, so many different collections, so many different finishes, depending on what kind of lenses you are looking for. I have reviewed their lenses here on my channel. I love the Polar Lights Brown from TTDEYE. I also love the Queen Blue lenses from TTDEYE. I've reviewed those here on my channel as well. I will link those up in the cards above as well as in the description box down below. I absolutely love so many lenses from TTDEYE. I feel like they're very comfortable and they're very natural looking depending on the lenses that you choose. Also, here is a coupon code. I will put it up on the screen right here so you can get some money off from TTDEYE's website. They also do have sales going on. They have sales frequently throughout the year so that you can get some extra money off their lenses as well. Now, let's get into the lenses that I like the most and which ones I didn't like so much, as well as show you up close shots as I usually do. So for the lenses that I love the most, I love the amber lenses. I love the amber brown as well as the amber gray. I was very hesitant to get these lenses, but when I checked them out on their website, I think they look very pretty and natural looking. So for the amber brown, I show all of these in natural lighting. For the amber brown, I love the way these lenses look. They look so close to my own natural eye color. I was stunned. The amber brown are like a very nice amber and brown colored contact lens put together. Amber, the color amber on its own can be very, very bright and opaque. I think with the brown mixed in with these lenses, I think that tones them down and makes them so natural looking. I like how the pupil hole is very feathered out for the amber brown as well as the amber gray. The pupil hole is so feathered out, and I think that adds to the lenses looking so natural. I think if you try the amber brown or the amber gray, I think you are really, really gonna like those lenses. If you have light eyes, I believe the amber brown is gonna look really, really nice on you. If you have dark eyes, I'm not sure how the lens will look. But for amber gray, if you have light or dark eyes, I believe that those lenses will work for you. For the amber gray, they are very, very beautiful. It's a nice muted shade of gray. It's like a light gray and a medium gray mix. They are not opaque, they're not bright. They blend so well with my own eyes, as you can see from the up close shots. I love the amber gray, and that's really weird because I don't really like gray lenses too much. You all know that, but with those lenses, they are very, very pretty, and I love how they blend well with my eyes. They're not opaque, they're not bright. They're very, very subtle and natural looking, which you all know that I love. So if you are interested in a good pair of gray lenses, definitely check out the amber gray. Now let's get into the vanilla hazel and the vanilla green. I'm wearing the vanilla green colored contact lenses right now. I do like these. I think they look very, very pretty. They look very natural, but I'm just not a big fan of the pattern of these lenses, to be quite honest with you. So that's why I didn't really like the vanilla green and the vanilla hazel too much, or as much as I thought I was gonna like them. The vanilla hazel ones, they look a little too unnatural for me. The pattern isn't really my favorite. I will say the pupil hole is very feathered as well, so it does let your own natural eyes poke through, but the pattern isn't my favorite pattern of lens, and I think they look a little unnatural, especially with the vanilla hazel. The vanilla hazel in natural lighting, as you can see, even from the up close shots, they look okay, but I think I like them to look just a little bit more natural, and then I think they would be like bomb. For the vanilla green, they're very pretty. They're like a very nice light and, you know, medium green mixed together. It's not too bright, not too opaque, but you can still see them. They are kind of bright, but they give the eyes a nice glossy, pretty finish, if you ask me. So I do like the vanilla green. I like the vanilla green more than I like the vanilla hazel, as you can see, but I do think all in all, the lenses look very, very pretty. I cannot wait to see how they look when it's a nice, bright, sunny day. I'll definitely be sure to put more pictures up here on my community tab on YouTube. And so let me know, which ones do you like the most? Which ones were your favorite? Which ones are you interested in getting from TTDEYE? Definitely make sure to check them out. Check the link out in the description box down below. You can click on it and definitely check out TTDEYE's lenses. They have so many different color contacts, and they have so many different colors. They are all comfortable. All of these lenses are very comfortable, and they do not irritate my eyes at all. But of course, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. Definitely check out previous videos that I've done here on TTDEYE's lenses, especially the Polar Lights collection that I have reviewed from them. Let me know what you think, and that is it. See you all soon. Bye, guys.
Untitled Chapter.